In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detect articles written by ChatGPT. This can be especially useful if you're assessing the originality of a piece or simply curious about whether AI tools were used in its creation. Let's get started. First, we're going to use a tool that can help us with this. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. It's the easiest interface for us to start our search on. Once the page loads, you'll want to search for GPT-0. GPT-0 is a handy tool we've chosen today due to its effectiveness in analyzing text for AI involvement. After you've typed in GPT-0 and pressed enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the GPT-0 website link and click on it to access the tool directly. This website is where you'll be performing the main task of uploading and scanning the document or article you're curious about. Now that you're on the GPT-0 homepage, look for the Upload Files option. It's pretty easy to spot. Clicking on this will bring up a prompt where you'll need to confirm the upload. This next step will depend on your browser, but you might see a file icon that you need to click to proceed further with the upload. Once you've located this file icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up your file manager on your computer, allowing you to select the document or article you wish to analyze. Here's a tip. Make sure your file is easily accessible, perhaps saved on your desktop or in a designated folder, so you don't spend unnecessary time searching for it. After selecting your file, you can now upload it to GPT-0. One of the great things about this tool is that as soon as your file is uploaded, the scanning process begins automatically. There's no need for additional clicking or navigating. Just give it a moment to complete the scan. During this scanning phase, GPT-0 will evaluate the contents of your file, assessing patterns and features that might indicate the involvement of AI writing tools like ChatGPT. This functionality makes it a powerful resource for those needing to verify the authenticity of written content. Once the analysis is complete, the results should give you an insight into whether your document is likely written by an AI or if it passes off as entirely human-generated text. And that's how you can quickly and effectively use GPT-0 to detect articles written by ChatGPT. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clearer understanding of the text origins every time you need it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further advice on related topics, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.